At OFS, it's our talented team that keeps customers happy and restoration projects on time and on budget. Craftsmen throughout New England trust us to bring out the beauty of wood panels, kitchen cabinets, doors, trim, and architectural millwork. Finishing and wood restoration services are handled in a controlled environment at our Connecticut facility by true professionals of the trade. But our team is also mobile. Our goal is to offer complete wood restoration, repair, finishing, and refinishing quality services. And for large furnishings and intricate architectural design, that can mean working on site. The OFS crew works efficiently, and we can manage very large rooms and facilities. We are accustomed to working with contractors on remodeling projects, as well as with property management staff who may be concerned about disrupting tenants. The on-site crew can work off hours, detailing, color blending, and toning architectural millwork, touching up doors, trim, and wood paneling. Historic wood restoration is one of our specialties. Another specialty of the on-site team is metal cleaning and restoration services. We don't just cover up your problems. We repair scratches and marks so they are gone for good. And we use the right products to maximize luster and shine. Most of our metal services are performed on-site, after hours at our customers' facilities. From elevator door refinishing and maintenance to scratch and graffiti removal. In brass, bronze, and stainless steel restoration, our pros bring back the shine. If you have a question or would like a quote for a restoration project on a commercial property, give OFS a call.